Namaste to all you cosmic souls. Welcome to your reading for today. Before we begin the reading, I'd like to remind you that every Sunday reading, one person gets picked for a free personal reading. So do leave your name in the comments down below of this video or of the last Sunday's Lovers reading to add yourself in the pick a card reading. So let's see what we have in store for you today. What are the energies that we are picking up on? And what exactly does the universe want you to hear and know? Don't allow yourself to get exhausted, and instead give yourself the time and energy to breathe. Give yourself the time and energy to recuperate, to just meditate, to exhale every now and then. Have that kind of a deeper communication with the self, so you're not completely losing out on all the energies and you're having some part of it to yourself as well. Consciousness, yes, exactly. So you are avoiding this exhaustion through consciousness. So you're being conscious about it. You are allowing yourself to meditate. You are giving yourself the time and the space that you really need. And more things on the lines of that. Next we have experiencing. So what are you experiencing? What are your experiences? Where are you coming from? What are you going through? Are you really observing the situation as you see it? Or are you observing a situation from how you feel in that situation? So are you looking at it through higher consciousness, from a third point perspective? Or are you looking at it as if it is you and how you feel in that certain position? You're putting that as the perspective. You are growing. Allow yourself to grow fully and completely. It will take time to reach and understand whatever you are going through. And at this time, there is a lot of growth that is happening. There is a lot of understanding that is happening. So let that be. Just, stay with it, be with it. Don't try to run away from it. And at the same time, make sure that you're consciously giving yourself that time. Because there's a lot of exhaustion, especially in the mind. So a lot of anxiety, frustration, all of that is coming up. And for you to flower, you need to be mindful about it. You should know, at least just know that this is what is happening. My mind and the body is kind of just getting exhausted. And where to go from here about that, or how you can deal with the situation from here. What else do we need to hear and know? Your lighthouse guides you home to the stars. So what is your lighthouse? Where is your lighthouse? Your spiritual awakening will come from this lighthouse, wherever it is, whatever it is for you. For some of you, it is a very, very sacred space, like, your room, or you have a certain space in a library, and that is the space that you enjoy being in, that you enjoy on a whole. And that guides you towards the direction that you need to move into. And that directs you towards home, towards the stars, towards understanding what you're going through. This is what will bring you that level of understanding. Listen in stillness. You meet your true self. Bring in the practice of stillness in your life. We had this for the weekly reading as well. I will link it in the description box. Listen in stillness. Listen with stillness. Be still. Understand stillness. Because this stillness will give you the conscious mind power to relax, to really breathe, and to not get exhausted, obviously. I mean, we have a lot of things going on in our lives. I completely understand that. But that doesn't mean that you completely exhaust yourself and then you're growing at the same time, you're exhausted at the same time, and then you're in a space that you're completely confused. Now, where do you go? Where are you supposed to go? What are you supposed to do from here, from now? So the answer to all of that is stillness. Leave Netflix, leave your mobile on the side. Leave your tab, leave all your devices, everything that is there. Just leave it somewhere in the side corner. Switch it off for some time. Or keep it in silent if you're like a working professional and you just need that. Just sit. Don't even have to close your eyes. You don't even have to meditate. Just sit in the stillness and realize that the movement in the stillness is what you are craving. That is why you're feeling exhausted. Because you want the movement to happen in the stillness. And this doesn't mean, overthinking. This doesn't mean overthinking. It means listening. It means accepting. It means being there for yourself. And who is being there for yourself? You. If the numbers 7 and 9 resonate with you, 3, 7 and 9, these are the three numbers. Okay, so 9 is an accentuating an accension number that brings you full circle. It is considered a very highly spiritual number, and in many forms of astrology it is not considered. Okay, and we have 7 again, so close your eyes to open your heart. 7 is a very spiritual number, so 7 is the number connected with spirituality and awakening and bringing yourself to that awakening, that spiritual awakening. Okay, whatever you're going through, that is your awakening, your flowering process, the experiences that you are experiencing, all of that is your awakening. Your third eye is opening up, as in the decalcination of your pineal gland is happening. So literally, I don't even know if I have to complete this reading. Every part of this reading is asking you to sit in stillness, is asking you to close your eyes and meditate and experience whatever you're going through, understand what you're going through. And that's it. That's literally what each card is telling you to do. So, what guidance should I give you? I mean, the universe is being pretty clear about it. All right, what do we have next? So why are you here today? Because you're feeling stuck, because you're feeling like you don't know where to go from here, or you're just hanging upside down in this confused space. It's all just blank, and there are here and there you just know what you're doing, but you're just like, what is this? Where am I? And how you will reach that understanding is through stillness. I mean, we have the 4 of Swords here. And what do you see? You see this man. You see that he's lying down on this bed, or this very, just a single space. We have lights or diyas or lanterns all around him. We have the 3 of Swords. We have 3 swords at the top of the bed to create stability and grounding. And we have 1 sword that he's holding on to while lying down, to the strength, the confidence, and all of that is growing. And how is all of this growing? It's growing when he is in stillness, when he is completely lying down, when he is just there to observe himself. And I think that is the message that you need to hear, maybe more than once, twice, maybe thrice. And once you've reached that space of understanding stillness, the cards will begin to change. Until then, you will kind of experience something similar until you find your stillness. What is your stillness? What is the space that you want to be in? Okay? The King of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Should you be materialistic and keep looking at the work you've been doing and the money you've been receiving from it, or should you be in a space where you're fighting for what you believe in, you're finding that strength, the vulnerability within yourself? What should you do? Where are you? What is the right decision for you? What is the right direction for you? Your effortless effort is fully required. So no matter what you do here, whatever you choose to do, find a balance. Sit in stillness. You will find your answer. And that stillness will make you put in the effort only that is required. Effortless effort. What does that mean? Meaning you're not doing all the work. You're just doing the work that is really required at this point of time. And from there, you're moving on from there. I mean, you're not allowing yourself to get to that point of exhaustion. Instead, you're allowing yourself to move slowly and experience the whole thing and see what to do or where to go from there, which I absolutely love. And that is your reading for today. I really hope you enjoyed your reading. I really hope that you find your stillness. Do comment down below on how you feel about this reading and how much it resonated with you. Maybe put a meditating emoji in the comment section down below so you can tell us that you are in a space of finding stillness. I will do that too. All right. As always, thank you for sharing your energy with me. Sending you so much love and so much light. Namaste.